If you are a vector illustrator, you probably have a folder full of old artwork just sitting on your computer or hard drive. But what if I told you those old drawings could be making you money right now? Just open them, make a few small changes, and start earning from them. In this video, I'll show you how I sell my work on Icon Scout and how you can do it too. So let's turn your artwork into extra income. Step 1. Create an contributor account. So first go to www.iconscout.com. The website will open like this. Scroll down and click on Become a Contributor. Signing up is just quick and free. It's just like opening your own digital art shop. So enter your email ID and create your account. After signing up, you will be asked a few questions about the type of content you want to sell. So we have to done this. Once that's done, go back to home page and scroll down again and click Become a Contributor. A form will appear with a few more questions. Just enter your basic info and complete your profile, and don't forget to add a portfolio link if you have one. It helps build trust. Also include all social media links so people can connect with you. Step 2. Prep your art for upload. Let's talk about files. Icon Scout accepts both vector files and raster images like AI, SVG, EPS, and PNG and JPG. So you don't need to create new artwork, just choose your best existing pieces. So before uploading, clean up your files, remove extra layers, and prepare for the uploading. Give each file a clear name. Organize them by style or theme. So here are some important things to keep in mind while uploading your files. So name your files clearly. For example, deer space with space leaves. As you can see on my screen, artboard size should be 15 pixel, 1500 pixel or larger. Save your designs in these 5 formats: PNG, SVG, JPG, EPS, and AI. You must include at least 2 files and up to 5 files in these formats. The total size of all files must be under 10 MB. If needed, you can upload 4 to 5 files as long as they stay under the 10 MB limit. Zip all the files into one folder before uploading. Step 3. Submit the form and wait for the reply. Once you submit the form, you are done. We have now sent our details to the Icon Scout team. In a few days, you will get an email from them. Just follow their instructions to open your shop on Icon Scout. I personally love this platform because it's much easier to open a shop here compared to the other websites. I opened my shop and starting earning extra income from my existing work. I don't create new vectors just for this. I simply tweak my old designs, save them in the right format, and upload. You can do the same and start a side hustle too. In my upcoming video, I'll show you what to do after you get approved by Icon Scout and open your shop. If you follow this process I shared, you will definitely get approved. Then we will dive into how to prepare your files, what formats to use, how to name and upload them, and of course how to start earning. So that's how I turned my art library into a side hustle using Icon Scout. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If you found this useful, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.